Hello keyframe lovers! Welcome to a new chapter of our quick tutorial section. Today you will learn a quick and easy way to animate a stunning 3D globe using Adobe After Effects. Select the map layer, apply the CC Sphere effect and adjust the effect controls to achieve the desired cartoon look. First, I'll increase the size of the sphere by adjusting the radius option. Next, reduce the light intensity to 20. In the shading option, set the ambient value to 100. Perfect, we've achieved the look we were going for. Now, to animate the sphere, open the rotation settings of the effect. Create a keyframe at the start of the timeline on the Y-axis. Next, move to the end of the timeline and rotate the sphere. And if we preview, voila! Subscribe to our channel and look at our animation courses in the description.